There are many and varied ecosystems at a high school. The main goal of our project is to investigate, identify and recognize the cryptic biodiversity that is hidden and not visible at a high school. The first thing to do is to take samples of different ecosystems, such as the flora of the flower beds, soil or moss. The samples collected are carried to the laboratory to be observed under the microscope. Different active microorganisms that were found in the preparations that have been made are recorded in the computer. Specialized guides are used for identification. The species that could not be recorded have been drawn. Some examples of rich and varied biodiversity are naked amoeba, testate amoeba, as the arcella, the apterid ciliate trying to eat another ciliate. Citrymena being divided transversely and newly divided. Euglote swimming with its characteristic dorsal ribs. Gonustamon. Tetrimena, known as the queen of the mortality, eating the inside of dead rotifer. Vorticella with his bell shape and its stalk. The diatom Pinularia, eggs of nematodes, a cylindrical worm with meandering movements. The water bears, the most resistant organisms in the world, which can't even live in the outer space. Rotifers filtering food. This project has been developed by several 12-year-old students from the first grade, who have dedicated their time voluntarily during their school breaks to the investigation of the wonderful world of the microscope.